Father. I'm an Israelite. I'm a Jew. I'm a Jew. I'm not a Christian. No, I'm not a Christian. I'm a Hebrew Israelite. There's nothing wrong talking. That's what he not puts up for. Yeah, so take the push away. It's not a crime to speak. Why would you need to arrest him? Why would you arrest him? It's not a crime to talk. Don't grab me.
He's no people now.
I am talking. I don't need to sit nowhere. I'm talking to you here. It's not a crime to speak. 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 I touch no one. I touch no one. That's a crime. Yeah, so let go of me. When you come out with the cookie, I touch no one. Yeah, so let go of me. Let go of me. I done nothing. I ain't done nothing. Get your hands off me. I ain't done nothing. I ain't done nothing. I ain't done nothing. Get your hands off me. Get your hands off me. I ain't done nothing.
I will give him a load.
Yeah, so what you want with me? Yeah, so speak to me now. No, I'm not running no time. I'm not running no time. Done nothing wrong. Yeah, so speak to me.
Right now, what's actually occurred?
Nothing's occurred. I ain't done nothing. I have not done nothing racist. No, I have not. I've done nothing wrong. Done nothing. You can't put me for nothing I ain't done. I ain't done nothing. I ain't done nothing. I don't need to take a seat for nothing. I've done nothing. I've done nothing. I've done nothing. I do nothing. I do nothing. Do nothing. Do nothing. Do nothing. Get off me. Get off me. I have not made no racist comment. I have not done nothing. I have done nothing. I have done nothing. Done nothing. Done nothing. Done nothing. Done nothing. Done I have not done nothing. No, 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 racist. Done nothing. Done nothing. Done nothing. Done nothing. It's going to go and that's fine, that can be sorted. That's fine. That can be sorted. I've done nothing, my man's arrested for nothing. Yes, I did nothing. Of course he did. Arrested for nothing. Done nothing! Done nothing! What's the crime? What's the crime? Bring me quiet! Quiet what? That's a crime! I'm Hebrew Israelite! Hebrew Israelite! That's right! So it's not a crime to breach! Not a crime to breach! It's not a crime! It's not a crime! No, I'm worried that he was abusing them. He was abusing the guy for Hannah. He's been abusing the guy for Hannah for half an hour.
To where?
Move backwards.
To where? Why?
We're asking you to.
Because why?
We're asking you to.
Yeah, I know, but I'm filming a situation as a trip. Right.